Hello and welcome to this presentation of a project I made in SolidWorks. Basically, it's a module that helps you synthesize a forward mechanism for 3 prescribed positions. It's a classic kinematic problem you often find in textbooks, and I managed to make an interactive version in the SolidWorks sketch using blocks. In this example, we can see the elements of the system. This is the first position, the second and the third one. This is the four-bar mechanism that we can move around. Those are fixed pivots. Here are moving pivots. First link, third link, coupler, and the moving position that is attached to the coupler. In this example, we have a Grashof linkage, so we can fully rotate the crank. We can see the moving position passing through the prescribed positions. So this is the result we want to achieve. So let's change the positions. We can move or rotate the position, and the geometry of mechanism will change. Now we have a new mechanism that should satisfy the conditions. But it appears that it reaches only one position. So let's check the second circuit of the mechanism. And here we can see it reaches the other two positions. Clearly an unsatisfying solution. So let's change the fixed pivots and see if we get a better mechanism. And this is it. It's going through all the 3 positions. Unfortunately, it's not a Grashof mechanism, but for the needs of this presentation, it should be okay. So it takes time to find a proper mechanism, but it's easier with this tool. Also, it's cool to be able to do this in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. Bye.